Introducing Aha Homeware Sink Splash Guard. The panel stops most of the splash. Two self-adhesive holders enable you to switch the panel from one spot to another. It's a bang for your buck. The panel is not dishwasher safe. Rinse it well. To avoid watermarks, dry the panel with a kitchen towel. Put the panel away if needed. Maybe just keep it in the sink. Use a brush to clean the holder as needed. One time, install the holder in just a few minutes with our step-by-step instructions. The holder can stick to wood, marble, ceramic, and stainless steel surfaces. It's removable without any residue or damage to your sink. Get the splash guard today and let it assist you in every wash. Aha Homeware Sink Splash Guard. Stop the splash. Wash at ease.